Okay, so this is gonna be simple. I'm gonna make a quick little tube dress. So this is the beginning, and you just open Blender. At least that's how, this is how it opens for me. I'm just gonna do a couple of things. So I right click up there, header, and no, up here. Right click up here, show, I'm gonna click show menus, I'm gonna do it again, show menus. Okay. I am going to press X on my keyboard to delete that box, and I'm going to add an avatar body basic. If you don't have avatar, you can use any body. Anybody get it? You could use any model, but I'm using avatar model. Okay, so it put me in pose mode. I'm going to go into object mode. I'm going to hit A twice to deselect everything. And I'm going to add mesh. Going to add a cylinder. I'm going to hit G for grab, Z for Z axis. I'm going to hit S to scale. G for grab, Z axis to bring it up. And I'm going to hit S for scale, Z for Z axis. G for grab, Z for Z axis. Okay. So now I'm going to tab into edit mode. And I'm going to hit Control on my keyboard and R. Oh, what the heck? I'm going to hit Control on my keyboard and R to make edge loops. And I'm going to make some edge loops here. That's good. Okay. I'm going to go into faces up here. I'm going to right click on that top face, hit X for delete and select faces. I'm going to do that on the bottom. Okay. And I'm going to go into edge select. And I'm just going to select some of these edges. While holding down Alt and Shift. I'm going to hit S for scale, X for X axis, just to scale that out some. And I'm going to do the same up here. I'm going to hit Alt and Shift. And I'm going to hit G for grab, Y axis, and I'm just going to grab this out some. Let's bring this one back some. Okay. So just say this was our dress. Wait. scale Y, grab Y, okay. I'm gonna go into object mode and I'm gonna add a modifier just to make the dress more to the body. I'm gonna add a shrink wrap modifier, and I'm gonna click project. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna click that, and I want this. Okay, that's not gonna work. I forgot because this body is 2 parts, so that is not gonna work. Alright, so forget that. I'm gonna delete this modifier. Boop. Alright, we can add cloth. But I'm not gonna do that. This is just to show how to get a inner side not invisible when you bring it into SL. So say, let me save this. So file, export, Colada Day, whatever. I'm gonna put test dress. Okay. And okay, so now when I go into SL, build, upload, mesh model. Was in my documents. Okay. So you can't see it here, but I'm gonna bring it in. I'm gonna waste money and just bring it in. It's gonna be like 12 bucks, 11. Alright, so now if I put it in here, you see how it's see-through on the inside? So we're trying not to have it see-through on the inside without using the solidifier modifier. Okay. Now there's 2 ways you can do it. You could, okay, I'm in edge mode. You could go into edge mode, select this edge, and extrude it. So E for extrude, and you could extrude it down and just fix it. And then you could do the bottom like that. Oop. E for extrude. I'm extruding this one up. Hitting scale. And I'm going to hit scale this way. So then it will have that inside part. Okay? So that's the way you can do it. Another way, so let me Control Z to undo that. Okay, let me make sure that's gone. Yep. So another way you could do it is duplicate the dress. So I can go Shift D to duplicate it. See? I want it to go right back on top, so I'm going to click on my right side mouse button. Alright. Then I'm going to go into tab mode. I'm going to hit tab to go into edit mode. I'm going to go up here to mesh. I'm going to go to normals. And I'm going to flip the normals. And so now we have two dresses, cylinder and cylinder 001. And I flipped the normals. Now if you want, we know this is the new one. So this is the inside. So we can hide this one. We're still on this guy. And we can get rid of some of these extra faces. I'm just going to go to face mode. So I'm going to hold down Alt and Shift and just click some of them. Oop. Hold on. Or you can use a circle select. I just like doing stuff the hard way sometimes. I'm going to do it now. Circle select. Get that one. And then I can press X for delete and faces. Alright, so we'll have that. And then I'll put this back on. So we will make sure we select both dresses. So I click this one. Left click on this. Hold down Shift. Left click on that one. File. Export. Collide day. Selection only. And export. I don't know what I exported this to, but okay. And come in SL, upload, mesh model. It's untitled, okay. And I can't tilt it, so I will pay the $11. This one might be 12, but let's see. Yeah, 12. Upload. And here we go with our second cylinder. Okay, so you see how this has that rim. And the bottom has it also, and this bottom doesn't. Okay, and that is it. Oop. What is I'm doing? What is I'm doing? Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And just hit me up anything you guys want to see. Alright, later. God bless.